Hey y'all, I'm back. So real quick, I just wanted to show y'all the progress that we done made. So today I'm just gonna be doing some more cleaning. I'm gonna be packing, clearing out cabinets, wiping everything down, and all that. So we're trying to get as much done, as possible. So I know this video is moving super fast. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say. So if y'all enjoy this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.